If you need a dresser with maximum storage in a compact sleep footprint, this is the plan for you. The top and the sides of this dresser are 3/4 inch hardwood plywood. There is 1x framing in the middle. The drawers are made out of 1x boards. The free plans for this dresser, exactly as shown, are available through a link in the description, but if you want a custom size for a perfect fit, you can use my free online configurator to configure your own. Just leave the spacing in between the shelves at the size of your drawer face plus 1/4 inch for a perfect fit. Once you have your plan, break the plywood down into strips of the desired width of your dresser and then cross cut for the top and the 2 sides. Then take the pieces and apply edge banding to the front and the 2 end edges. I just use an iron and an edge banding trimmer. I do sand the edges so there's no sharp points that could catch later. Now we can start assembling the carcass. I like pocket holes because they're precise, they're strong, and they're hidden. So I recommend them. Place them on the inside and attach the top to the 2 sides. Notice I didn't add a bottom to this dresser framing, and that's to keep it lightweight and conserve plywood, as plywood can be expensive. Instead, I'm using 2 1x4s and I'm attaching with pocket holes. One trick is to nail the pocket hole joint first, and that will hold it in place while you attach it with screws. For the inner framing, you need to be exact in the location so that your drawers slide perfectly, as the drawer slides are going to be attached to these 1x4 boards. Instead of attaching a back, I did place these 1x4 scrap wood pieces at the back, at the top and the bottom, for extra support. And then I nailed and finished with pocket holes, framing for between the drawer faces. With the carcass done, I'm going to start working on the drawers. For the lower drawers, I used a 1x8 drawer box. The sides are cut to match the drawer slide length, and then the front and the back of the drawer are 2.5 inches less than the overall opening width. I just nailed the drawer box together with glue and 1 1/4 inch brad nails, and then I attached the bottom with 3/4 inch staples and glue. I used the 1/4 inch plywood to square up my drawer. I like these Euro style drawer slides because they're easy to install, they're very forgiving, and they're inexpensive, and the drawer actually works pretty good. So you just install the drawer members on the drawer and then install the cabinet member inset 7/8 inch onto the side of the plywood in between the 1x4 framing. One tip is making your drawer about 1/8 inch smaller will help with adjustment. Because this dresser is so simple, I gave it a 2-tone finish just to create some more interest. This dresser turned out sturdy and stylish and is the perfect fit for my space and needs.